You can use AudioKey 3 to configure the settings of AudioLink XT. The settings you change here will become the default settings every time you use AudioLink XT. Select Connectivity options from the menu. Select AudioLink XT. Tap Configure, and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Put AudioLink XT into configuration mode. By pressing Volume Plus and the main button at the same time for approximately 2 seconds. Tap Next. You can change the beep tone settings and define after how many minutes of silence audio streaming should be stopped. Tap Save to save the settings.